What's up, you guys? What's up? I am here looking crazy for a special edition for y'all. I finally took out my braids and now it's time to do something different. So today I am going to be doing a half up, half down look. And I'm going to show you exactly how I get this to this. First off, I am going to be using the Texture Water Wave. I'm going to be using one 18-inch bundle and one 14-inch bundle. If you are looking to get this hair, I would place it in the link below, so just go ahead and check that out. Let's get into it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Ain't nothing to it. So first things first, this is going to be a little bit of a complicated situation because I don't have a mirror in the back of my head, so excuse me, this thing is kinky, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet it a little bit, hopefully make it a little bit easier to comb. I'm also gonna put some good old shea butter in the back because one, I need the slip, and I'm gonna be braiding the back up anyway, so I need something to protect and seal back there. First thing I'm gonna do is part it out. All right, so as you can see, I'm just like cleaning it up as good as I can. And then I'm gonna rubber band it to get, to separate the hair. So now I'm gonna section out the back. For a braid, I'm going to grab a piece of hair so that way the base of my braid is strong. And I also have short hair, so it'll help keep it together and not like pull apart. But I'm gonna braid the back up first, just a little bit, about 1 inch or so, and then I'm gonna go to the top and braid that down, connecting to that end piece. I want my braids to end in the center and not at the bottom, so this is why I'm doing that. So the same thing is happening here. I braid it up in the back, and then I'm going to braid the top down, and I'm also going to connect that first braid to the second braid and just continue on. What's up, my loves? If you are enjoying what you see, go ahead and take this time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I love keeping up with you guys, so go ahead and leave a comment or message of your thoughts, questions, etc. Thanks. Mwah.
Hey.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Hey.
Yeah, I don't know what it is that I just did, but my niece, she just want to be in the camera. So I was just letting her get her little shine in real quick, I finished all the braids in the back, and I just did the last braid straight down, and as you can see, I grabbed my latch hook, and I'm just taking that last braid and I'm just weaving in and out of braids, pulling it through, so that way I don't have to needle and thread it down. This is just a lot easier. And boom. That's all I'm gonna do with that. All right.
Oh yeah, I saw it. You did good.
Thank you, T.
She did. 'Cause I looked at the camera.
So I'm going to continue threading my needles. I have 4 needles that I will be using simultaneously. Reason being, I do not want to be here forever doing this. All right, y'all, so I got my needle and thread, and I got my 18-inch water wave hair, and I did color it a little bit just to match my hair because it is growing out, but it is burgundy at the tips. So as you can see, there's some highlights of some, you know, some burgundy in there. So yeah, this hair colors extremely well, and my hair is naturally like a 2, and this hair is also naturally like a 2, so when I color it, it colors just like my hair. I did 2 tones. I did a red violet in some areas, and then I also did like a deep dark red violet and a lighter red violet in here. So there's 2 different tones, and my hair only has, you know, the black that fades into the deep red violet. It'll all blend once everything is together. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna start. Can they see the back? I'm gonna start there because this part is a little bit too thin. I'm probably not even gonna put anything down there. I don't plan on wearing my hair up, like ever, this part to ever be up, so, you know, I don't need the back to be pretty. I just need the front to be cute, you know. Oh, grrr. Oh, grrr.
That is my thing. That hers. She's just copying me because Cardi B, everybody is making everybody say that.
Oh,
grrr.
Alrighty, so. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I have finished up the sewing in the back. So just let me know below if you guys would like to see closer and in more detail how I sewed this in, or if you would like to see how I did my braid up a little bit more in depth. But other than that, you see that it's all in here, and I will see you guys at the next portion of this video, which is me doing the ponytail, the sew-in ponytail. All right, I'll see y'all soon.